Okay, let's talk about as a student or a beginner in English, how can you learn English? So English it's wide, and as we know, English is an international language, and it comprises of many things. So number one, you should always do practice on the different tenses. Remember, it's doing practice on the different tenses. You learn and practice on them. Again, you can record yourself. Speaking English. You can record yourself speaking English, then look for a person to judge you. Are you speaking the right way, or where you have made a mistake, they can correct you. Again, you see, English has a lot of vocabularies. So make sure, like every day, you learn at least 10 vocabularies in English. Learn at least 10 vocabularies in English. You know, when you meet a word in English, the first thing, know how it is pronounced, know its meaning, and try to use that word in making a sentence. That is how it can stick with you. So know the word, know how it's pronounced, how you can write it, its meaning, and how it's used in a sentence. That is very well. We also have select simple topics in English. Simple topics in English. And write about them. This is about writing in English. So select a simple topic, like you can say, I want to write about my daily routine. So you can write it well about what you do when you wake up until that time you retire to bed. So once you do that, and then you can maybe infer from someone else and ask where you have made a mistake, and they'll be able to correct you. Another thing, it's about reading. We start from small things. Again, read about simple topics in English. Simple topics in English. I think you should do this constantly. Read about simple topics in English constantly. Constantly, it means repeatedly. So that from that point, you graduate slowly, steadily, to even more and more harder part of this English. So you start from simple going to the harder parts. So read about simple topics in English constantly. Then the last one, try to do dictation on your own. So you can decide to write maybe 10 words in English. You write them. So write them down. Then we have different materials whereby you can be able to know whether you have made a mistake or not. So write the 10 words. Check, have I written them well?